In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Google account with your Stripe setup, creating a powerful financial infrastructure to help grow your revenue. Let's jump right in so you can get started on optimizing your business transactions. Begin by heading over to the Stripe website. Here, you'll find a comprehensive platform designed to aid in every aspect of your financial management. Once there, you'll want to locate and click the Sign In button. This button is your entry point into unlocking the gamut of services Stripe has to offer. For the next step, you're going to connect your Google account with Stripe. When prompted, choose your Google account from the list. Click on it to proceed. You'll notice this step involves some familiar actions as you link your Google credentials with Stripe, which are securely managed thanks to OAuth protocols. After you've successfully selected your Google account, take a moment to ensure you've clicked on the correct profile. This seamless connection ensures that your information is fetched accurately, enhancing security and functionality on the platform. Now move forward by focusing on the personal information section. Within your Stripe account setup, click on the area designed for inputting your full name. Here, it's crucial to type your full and legal name, as this will be tied to your account identity and verification processes within Stripe. Following this, direct your attention to the drop-down menu intended for selecting your country. Click on Country to begin this selection process. Choose the country applicable to your operations, making sure it aligns with where your business is either registered or where most of your payments will be processed. With these steps completed, you're in the final stretch. To conclude, click on the Create Account button. This action will formalize your account creation with Stripe using your Google linked identity. It's a big step. You're not just building an account, you're opening doors to an ecosystem built around growth and efficiency. So to wrap up, you've now created a Stripe account using your Google credentials. This integration aids in simplifying your payment processes, allowing for more streamlined operations within your enterprise. Remember, the synergy between Google and Stripe isn't just about ease of use, it's about leveraging powerful tools to manage and grow your business effectively. If this video has been helpful, be sure to check back for more guides and tips on utilizing digital tools to maximize your business potential. Thank you for watching and happy transacting.